Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Twitter learn more problem. So let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just check your server of Twitter is that working or not. So how you can do it, so just go to your web browser and just type down detector, and then just go to down detector on the first link, and then just go down and search for X Twitter like this. You'll find it over there, and over here just check the status of the Twitter. Is the server working fine or is there any problem? So over here right now it says user reports indicate no current problem at X. So if there is any problem with the server, it will say user report indicates some problems at X, something like that, guys. So currently there is no any server issues. So this might be one of the problems. If there is any server issue, you just have to wait for some time and try again later. So another thing what you can do is just reload your page, and that might help you. Another thing is what you can do is just check your connections. Just go to your settings, or let's say just go to your taskbar like this, and just go to task manager, and then over here just go with the performance, and over here you can check your Wi-Fi working or not. And another thing what you can do is you can if you are using your desktop side, just go with the different platform. Let's say go with the iPhones or go with the Android. And what you can do is, and another method, if you are using any of these browsers, let's say you are using Google Chrome, so you might change the platform and use different web browsers. Let's say you can use Microsoft Edge, or you can use Brave, like that. So that's how you do it, guys. That's pretty much. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.